hiding your images. I got an email from someone asking how you access the URL because when you do a Google search like I did here, I typed computer science and then I go over to images and I see something like this. This URL here is not going to give you the, oh, sorry, you can't see that. This URL is not going to give you the address to that particular image if that's what you want to use. So when you happen across an image like this that you're going to use, you're going to right click and then it just says copy link address. Okay, so select that and then go to wherever you're doing this. Oh, that was my test there. And then you're just going to paste. It's in the clipboard, so you need to do it right away. And that is the beefy address of the image I just found. Let's see, I'll do one more for you. So I'll go to this sweet chip picture. I'm going to right click. I'm going to copy link address. And then I'm going to go here and I'm going to paste. Paste. Wow, yeah. And you'll notice, so if I follow the link, it will take me to that exact image. So that's how you're going to get the URL for the individual images that you use in your computational artifact. Okay? Any other questions that come up, feel free to email me. Thanks, guys. Good luck.